You need me, alright, boss?
I'm gonna stick on your left shoulder and just do what Sar said and then pull me back. Pretty much the same thing that we had.
Stay lethal with you until he presses up. Now don't
Pushing behind.
We're gonna hold for a sec.
He's gonna go up as they open the door, and then he's gonna come back. We're just gonna do a breaching hold.
As soon as he turns the key and opens the door,
He come up to the threshold, and we're gonna basically go on basically. We'll go from there.
don't kick that. Keep there.
Give me, I'm gonna come back through to get behind you, so wherever you need to get into space. You wanna come through here, it's fine.
The lower handle was unlocked.
Back up.
You guys are gonna threshold it, right?
Alright, your commands?
Sarasota Police! Kirby! Come out of the apartment now!
Let me take over.
Let him press up for command.
The door's gonna swing closed, so I'm
alright.
open.
Sarasota Police Canine! Kirby, come out now or my dog will find you and he will bite you! Kirby, the Sarasota Police Canine unit, come out now, my dog will find you and he will bite you! Kirby! This is your final warning! Sarasota Police Canine unit, come out now, my dog will find you and he will bite you!
Back there, he's on the bed. He's in the room back there. He's on the
Kirby, we see you! Come out the bedroom now! You're gonna get bit by a canine!
That's right, bedroom.
back bedroom.
Can you hear him?
Kirby, if you walk to us, you will not get bit. Come out of the house now, or you will get bit by this dog.
I got it from here.
Yeah, go ahead, Bill.
Kirby, we do not know if you have any weapons on you. We cannot see your hands. If you don't come out, this dog will bite you.
Say he's coming. He's coming? I can't tell what he's saying. He's saying he's coming.
Hands are up.
Hands in the air.
Walk to us now.
You want to push up? Or...
Crawl to us, Kirby. You can't walk, you can crawl.
He closed the back door. So he can or he closed the back door. Get back to
Yeah, whatever. Kirby, walk. Kirby, listen to me. Walk to us now, or you won't get bit. Come out with your hands up and come out now. He's coming now. He's coming now. We got eyes on
Hands
him.
are open. Watch him. He's crawling. His hands are open.
Keep coming. No.
Coming.
Keep coming to us.
Yeah, he's sliding down the hallway.
Yeah, I can see his whole body. Kirby, enough of that. Come to me now.
Hey, just one person.
Les, just hold on one second. Kirby, crawl to us now, or you won't get bit. All right, keep coming. Come all the way to the doorway, please.
Just me mind for the kitchen is still left.
Yep.
Alright. Kirby, you backing up a little bit? I think we're good. He's backing up. Lay down there, face down on the ground and push your hand. Kirby, lay down on your face right now. Lay down. Lay down on your stomach right now.
Les, push up left into
Put your
that
hands on the
opening.
back of your head. Wait. Let's just back up.
I'll go hands first. Alright, walk down with them here.
Take a step.
Just walk down with them here. We gotta.
Slow steps.
Is it alright if I walk?
You got him?
Go ahead and walk. Slow steps. I got him.
You got him?
Yep. Slow steps. One step at a time. Take it slow. Who?
Okay.
No.
Les, glasses. You got them?
I got my glasses.
Where'd those other cuffs go? Someone
I
got
got
them?
my cuffs in the cuffs in the back pocket.
Small steps. Keep going.
You guys got that sled?
Yeah.
Got them. Thanks, buddy.
Keep going.
Sorry.
Keep going. Alright, go to your right.
Right?
Yep, hey.
Somebody, do you want to help him?
Go to the right here.
Kirby, where are your house keys at?
Bro, you can't make it up. Bro, you can't make it up.
You got me over the wall.
What's going on?
Selected 41 dispatch. Scene 41. My apologies on that. F50 John Silver 12/6 on a golf cart 3000 TNT.
I ain't gonna feel that.
Get off the damn radio.
I ain't gonna feel that.
One
Cause she
second.
nasty.
Yeah.
You working?
Yeah, 1 second. 9141, your tools are back in the car and it's locked. Thanks for bringing the keys, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate you bringing the keys.
Yeah, no problem.
Either that or you would have
Smashed the door and
yeah, you would have either had to bring the keys or repair a door, I guess. So that was the easy route.
Coach, do you need anything from us? We're going to do. I can log in. Just trying to find that key.
Is she in there?
No, she's
No,
already in the hospital.
she's been at the hospital, yeah. Yep.
Those y'all's cameras?
Yeah.
They all work?
Well, I think these ones do.
Not a chance.
Shit.
Take all measures on this. That's heavy. Other zones? Florida, 534, Tom, calling right now, like suburban, St. Allen Circle, and South Florida, River.
Are you okay, 12?
Yeah, how you been?
Grown man, nah.
Yeah, right?
They don't work too hard. Give it her.
Right? You been good though?
Yes.
Nice.
I took probation,
Yeah?
and it's just like
What was it, just for theft or something?
yeah.
Yeah?
But I'm just ready for it to get over. I done completed everything,
Good.
so it's just like I'm just waiting a matter of
When's
time
your
to
probation expire?
It's supposed to be done in like 3 years.
Oh, yeah? Nice.
But what his mom I'm not gonna do the whole 3
At the
years.
hospital.
He jumped on the lady for real.
I think he beat her up, yeah.
He going
Pretty
to
good.
hell.
Yeah, that's not right.
He's going to hell.
Yeah.
He's wrong. That's
Been
sad.
good, though?
Yeah, for the most part, yeah. I don't want no trouble.
Good.
I've been making sandwiches and
Look at
selling
Miss
food.
Didi.
But let's go. They got work to do. Y'all go.
Thank you. Nice to see you. Any call?